What's going on, guys? XSR Detroit out here in Deliverance, Ohio, a place I've definitely never been. I posted on Facebook a riding group. I said, I've got the day off. I want to ride somewhere new, somewhere fun and exciting, and somewhere I haven't been before. And I was told to go to Maumee, Ohio, and follow the river. There were some good roads out here, and there are some very good roads. I've been out here for a couple hours now, just kind of riding around, and I figured before I go home, we could check out the roads together. Sounds like a bike coming. Lots of bikes this way. But yeah, let's hop on this bike, get it moving, man. The roads out here are mad fun. So Maumee is like an hour and 15 minutes away from my house, and an hour and 15 is really not that bad, I don't think, to ride out for some good roads. Unfortunately, as you know, if you watch my channel, there isn't a ton of stuff by me, so I usually have to branch out, but that's okay, because there's some gems out here, man. It was super fun coming out here. It's a beautiful day, beautiful day. But yeah, this is gonna be like part moto vlog, part riding clips, because I'm probably not gonna talk through a lot of this, so stay tuned for the riding footage mostly. Very hilly out here. I like it. So the river's on the right here. You kind of see it. Not that I'm out here checking out the views too much, but the road is absolutely worth it. Lots of bridges out this way, absolutely gorgeous. I feel like I'm on a big trip right now. I don't feel like I'm gonna be heading home today, which is funny. It's just the vibe. Okay, maybe have turn signals that are visible during the day, brother. But that's okay, now I got nobody in front of me. Nice view. This was so worth it. I don't remember the guy's name that recommended I come out here, but shout out to that guy. Ooh, got an S-curve, S-curve. Lots of S-curves. So we'll go through here, the small like township area. There's another one I think called Providence, and then that's pretty much, then it's pretty open. So we'll slow down a little, Jesus Christ, kind of chill, and I'll be back with you guys when something interesting is happening. It just occurred to me that I'm probably gonna have to censor this entire video. That's a lot of work. Maybe I won't. I guess we'll see when you're watching it. be the village I was talking about. Let's see. Florida. Thought it was called Providence. Maybe Florida goes into Providence. We'll see. Man, third gear in A mode on this bike just rips. Third and fourth, frankly, but man. Usually when I'm in fourth gear, I'm in the highway just pulling away. Shreds. Typically. Oh, please don't be a cop. Are you a cop? No. Yeah. You're not a cop. Man, whoever makes the decision to like buy a white Ford Explorer, like what is wrong with you? Or alternatively, you're trying to get the, I'm not saying cop perks, but you want people to think you're a cop. So if I see a white Explorer or a black Explorer, I'm gonna behave myself, or a gray Explorer. I'm gonna stop fucking around pretty quick. Oh, these S-curves. Oh, man. I wish I could ride this every day. So, the guy that pointed me at Maumee didn't tell me about this. I actually ran into some other bikers and they told me to head to Deliverance and follow the river. And they were 100% right, because I was getting ready to go home, and man, this road is better than any of them that I've been on today. And some of them like have been pretty close. Initially starting out, it was kind of lame. I was like, oh shit, I rode out an hour for this, but man, this road right here, what a blast. Too much fun. And another S-curve. You hate to see it, right? I'm gonna have to do some serious editing on this one. Napoleon. Alright, this is the village I thought. I don't know why I thought it was called Providence, but lovely view of the river. I like it. I feel like I've been saying lovely a lot lately. I don't know why. I mean, man, maybe that's what it is. Oh, that's a dope building. I wonder what that is. Oh, it's green. Can't be looking at the buildings all day. But yeah, that's cool. So one thing I love about motorcycles, it's like an excuse to just go places like you would never really have an excuse to go, and you see some cool shit on the way. I like that. Into that corner. You'll love to see it. Now, is this a police officer? Oh, it's a sheriff. Oh, it's a sheriff. Ah, it's a sheriff. This might be the end of the fun stuff. Damn, I wonder if he saw me pass that guy. Well, I guess he would have pulled over if he was going to pull over, but oh well. This might be the end of the video, ladies and gentlemen, because I can't have the kind of fun I want to have. So I think this might be it. Call it a wrap here. Thank you for watching as always. Ride fast, ride naked, wear your helmet, all that good stuff. I'm working on a lot of stuff right now. Kind of got busy for a minute, but I'm working on some stuff. So some more dual sport stuff, more XSR content, more backpacking, even though I know you guys don't watch that stuff. But as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.